Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will look at what you can do if your Wi-Fi or wireless capability is turned off. As always, we will link an article in the description down below that will go much more in-depth on the subject. As a precaution, before making any changes to your system, create a system restore point. Before we get started in the software, if you're on a laptop, let's eliminate a hardware problem. Most laptops have a tiny switch on the front or on the side that turns on or off the wireless. Check to see that that is actually turned on. Plus, check your modem and make sure that you are indeed connected to the internet. It might be that you're not connected. Reset your modem and see if you're able to connect then. After that, we can try running the network troubleshooter. Let's go to Troubleshooter. Go to Additional Troubleshooters and look for Network Adapter. Run the troubleshooter, and after it's done, restart your computer and see if that fixes the problem. Then we can look at changing the adapter settings. Look for the Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click on the connection you're after. If it's disabled, then click on Enable. Make sure that it's connected. And after that, see if you're then able to use the Wi-Fi or your wireless then. If nothing else seems to be working, you can just reset the network. Go back into Network and Internet. Scroll down till you find Network Reset. Click on it and follow the prompts. For more helpful fixes, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, where we are always uploading new content aimed at making your digital universe a little bit better. Thanks for watching and have a great day.